Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix hotspot keeps stopping or turning off in your iPhone device. So if you just want to fix it, open the setting of your iPhone device, go on personal hotspot, then you have this option in the personal hotspot turned off, then go back on battery. So once you got in battery, you just have to click on low power mode turned off, then go on services and just turn off this one too. Then get back here on the menu of your iPhone device, the setting menus. So here you go and see we got the display and brightness, and then just auto lock, just keep it on never. Then get back again to the setting menu and just you have to find out general, go on background and app refresh. So here you can see we're gonna just turn on this one too, and once you're done, exit from all the settings and connect your Wi-Fi to your phone. So this is all about how to fix it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.